Meaning of demineralize.
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 Demineralize. Demineralize means to remove minerals from something, particularly from water or bones. This can happen due to various reasons such as water treatment, medical conditions, or poor diet. The result of demineralization can be detrimental to health. For example, demineralized water lacks essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Similarly, demineralized bones can become brittle and prone to fractures. Hence, demineralization can have serious consequences on the overall health and quality of life.